Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Pinterest tab on your device. On the home page, tap the search icon at the bottom. You will be taken to the search bar, so type in anything that you want to search. When you tap on the suggestions, the results are shown accordingly. You can see two tabs here, Explore and Profiles. We are currently on the Explore tab. Here you will be able to find different pictures and videos related to your search. Tap any of the pictures to take a closer look. And on the Profile tab, you will be able to find both personal and business profiles. Tap on the profile to view what they have to offer. Next, refine your search. You can use the words listed to widen or narrow down your search results. And that's how you search on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.